The symptoms of acute radiation sickness would be just exactly like a terrible flu. A person would have a headache. They would feel very tired. They would have a little bit of a fever.
Every type of radiation makes people sick. That's why there are safety limits. That's why there's warning labels near cell towers. And that's why everybody got sick after they rolled out the 5G. There is no such thing as safe radiation. They try to sell it to you that way with 5G, saying it's non-ionizing, therefore it's safe. But 5G technology uses microwave radiation, the same type of radiation that we find in a microwave oven. Microwave ovens cook people. It actually destroys tissue. That's why it cooks. And so it isn't safe. They just sell it to you as safe so that you'll buy it. They wouldn't sell it to you as something dangerous, because then you wouldn't buy it. But every electronic device that you own basically has hidden warnings in it, in the terms and conditions. It basically says keep the phone away from you by at least 10-15 centimeters, for example. And there's been recent reports that these devices are actually exceeding the safety limits so that you can download movies faster. This technology is not safe. There are countless cancer clusters around cell towers. They're burying the information. They're covering up the dangers so that they can make money. They say it's safe and effective like the vaccine, but in fact, it's dangerous. As dangerous as Fukushima or Chernobyl in many ways, because people don't understand what they're being exposed to. And so that exposure basically ramps up over time. It's in fact more dangerous than Fukushima, because if you were in Fukushima or Chernobyl, you would protect yourself. But since they sell it to you as something safe and innocent, you don't protect yourself. And that actually makes this radiation more dangerous than Chernobyl or Fukushima, because people are totally unaware of what they're being exposed to. And everybody knows the dangers of 5G, and people are trying to take these towers down wherever they can through city councils or other means. But the dangers are clear, and even the Pentagon admits that radiation causes flu-like symptoms. And that's just the beginning stages of radiation sickness. It will lead to cancer and other diseases. And so everybody knows that this radiation is toxic and that it shouldn't be in our environment the way it is. But we're not going to get any